comes from my heart, and I want to make sure all those kids get to the school safely. I always try to do my best.
Being a bus driver is very important to me, and to put a smile on their face and make sure I get them to and from very safely.
All of the drivers, they love the students. They love driving the school bus. They love working here at Palm Beach County School District.
Customer service means to me providing the best service necessary to satisfy our customers' expectation every time. The priorities are safety, getting the kids to school on time, getting the kids back home to their parents safely. It means everything.
I'm ready for the